You caught the historic catch, sir, for India's first ever Test win. Can you please take us through it?
That catch was absolutely memorable. Catch was not a difficult catch. It was on the boundary line, and I was so thrilled with it. And I still have the ball that I caught. I never gave it to anybody. I took the ball back with me, and it's in my Coonoor home. I gave it a very great pride of place in my home. You see, I would say that was India's first ever Test victory, and really the people who won that match for us were Vinoo Mankad and Ghulam Ahmed by their superb bowling. The English batsmen are struggling to handle Vinoo Mankad and Ghulam Ahmed. Those were the two who won the match for us, not our batting. Those two players were. And it was, you see, Vinoo Mankad was a kind of a bowler. When he bowled, he knew exactly where the ball will come back after the man bat. And I was just a little wide off, mid off or something. I was standing. Vinu said, "Will you just move about 3 feet from there, 3 or 4 feet, move to your left?" And then he bowled the ball. The next ball came straight into my hands. He knew exactly the ball he was going to bowl and the shot that man is going to play and where that ball will go. And that ball came straight into my hands. He had so much ball control. He's a very slow bowler. You think you can go and hit him, you can't. I don't know, I've played against him also. When he bowls a ball, he gives a lot of air. You think the ball is up to you, but when you go to play, it takes a dip down. He was an amazing bowler. And it was he and Ghulam that won the match for us.